Today we're going to be talking about one of the most common questions we get asked, and that is, how often should we change out our mattress? Lots of determining factors to come into play. One being is if you're tossing and turning all night long, you're not getting a good night's rest. It's probably time to change out your mattress. Secondly, if you're waking up with a lot of aches and pains, again, it's probably time to change out your mattress. Another thing to consider is when you feel like you're sleeping in a hole or actually rolling off your bed, it's probably time to change out your mattress. So do you sleep too hot? If so, it might be time to change out your sleep surface. Most mattress manufacturers today have cooling technology in their sleep surfaces. So if you are sleeping warm, again, it might be time to change out your sleep surface. So another thing to consider when changing out your mattress would be is if you feel that your sleep surface is not supportive. It's very important that you've got a mattress that gives you plenty of support. So another reason why you should look at changing out your sleep surface would be as if your health has changed. So if you have lower back issues, neck issues, shoulder issues, that may require a different type of sleep surface for you. So if your body shape and size has changed dramatically, it may require a different sleep surface. And what I mean by that is it will require a different firmness mattress. For example, if you've lost a lot of weight, you might require a softer sleep surface. If you gained a lot of weight, you might require a firmer sleep surface. So another thing to consider is maybe you don't have the correct sleep technology. There's 3 different sleep technologies out there. You've got traditional innerspring, you have hybrid mattresses, and you have all foam mattresses. They all have benefits. Depending on how you sleep, side, back, stomach, motion transfer, if heat is an issue, that's all going to determine on what sleep technology you get. And finally, I wanted to talk to you about motion transfer. If you have a partner that tosses and turns all night, that partner is keeping you awake. An all-foam mattress will eliminate motion transfer. You will not be woken up by your sleep partner tossing and turning. So that would be something to consider if motion transfer is not allowing you a good night's rest. I'm Tim Whitaker, the mattress manager at Furniture Mall of Kansas. Please visit our website for more mattress tips and tricks. Thank you.